rest of the video might be of use to you. So, let's begin. So let's start with some basic addition problems. If you want to add 5 plus 4, do. But it's always good to do mental math. Try these 4 problems. 7 minus 9. So let's say if we wish to subtract 87 minus 23. 70,000 is 840 million. So regardless of how big these numbers get, as long as you follow the basic principles, you can pretty much do math up to any limit. By the way, the video that you're currently watching is a 1-hour trailer version of a longer 4-hour paid video. So I'm going to post a link here in case if you want to watch the remaining 3 hours of this video, if you find it useful, and you can check that out. If you have any questions, feel free to post it in the comment section below. So now let's go over division. Let's say if you wanted to divide 56 by